Hello guys, welcome to CodeWithJM. This is my first series. I want to thank you all for giving us this opportunity to put you through Android Studio development. This is kind of my first series, so permit me if I'm kind of nervous. It's allowed. I just want to give a big thank you to all our community members who asked for this video. We need you to be very hardworking with us and engage to every bit of our videos and challenges we're going to be posting in this series, and also help us promote the channel and the community. The wider range of audience we have, the more achievable our dreams and goals are, because we are working towards making sure every member of Swag get the privilege to start earning some income from the community, and we can achieve most of that if we don't have a lot of audience or members in the community. Also, I want to give a big thank you to the company, the agency that sponsors this community, Sapcop. Yeah, the one who power up the community. A big thank you to the agency. In this course, we are going to be going through a whole lot of things in Android development, and it's basically going to be a practical tutorial where I'm just going to be putting you through some few basics, but we'll all work on the project together. That way you learn more faster. Put your mind to this explanation I'm going to be giving, because it's very needed, and make sure you have all your resources and your tools. Follow everything I say on this video. It's going to help you. Okay, so in this series I'm just going to be giving you an overview of what you're likely going to face in this course, and I'm going to share some files, links and resources with you and motivate you a little. So on our overview, this series will empower you to become a full core Android developer with no complete foundation on programming or any developer skills. You can learn a lot from this series. Following the rules will really help you discipline yourself to become a successful developer, and your engagement will enhance your courage and ability to handle tasks. You are in a world of large competition, for there are many developers out there, so challenge yourself as hard as you can. So basically you just have to work hard with us and follow everything we do, and engagement is the key. Engagement, and you need to challenge one another and follow the rules. Also, you want to help each other out. That's challenging one another. So in the community, it's more likely some people might have challenges fixing up some bugs on their programs or following up the tutorial very well. Some might experience some bugs, some errors, and it's a challenge for you as a member of the community to be able to solve those problems for them without the admins or the patrons or the pioneers in the community answering those questions for them. You should try and be able to answer those questions and solve the challenges of one another. Is a challenge for you. Your engagement skills is also needed in solving people's problem, answering questions for people, and also putting people through some of the things we have done in the video, some of the things you were able to get. Your communication skills matters in the group also, and your engagement will also help us in publicity and sharing wide awareness across the globe. The files, link and resources I will be sharing with you in this series are going to be used through this course. Having them in your possession will go a long way, so try get your hands on them really fast. To be frank with you, you're gonna need a whole lot of internet facility for this. So I suggest you either go to a cyber cafe that will allow you connect your computer to the internet and buy some time out there, or you just get yourself a pretty good small smile. There's a promo Smile is doing right now. I'm not trying to advertise for them, but it's pretty cool. Get it for about 9,800 naira. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, so when you get it, it's going to come with a 5 gig day and night and a 5 gig night. So technically you have a 10 gig, but the 10 gig might not do, but it will go a long way for you to get your hands on these files and your update going. And monthly you'll be doing some 10k subscription to give you a boost on what you're going to do, because you really need internet connection. Android development really needs internet connection. Downloading the following files listed below, you can find the links in the description section of this video. So I'm dropping the link to get all this at the description section of this video, so try and get your hands on them. As the series continue, we will update you links and resources you may need. Yeah, so as we follow up this series, we might send you more links or resources you might need as the project or as the series goes. So you need to download these files that we sent to you: Git, Java, JDK, SDK, the Android Studio itself, Sublime Text Editor. You need Photoshop or Sketch or Illustrator. For Sketch, I tried getting my hands on Sketch, but I've not really seen for Windows 10. So if any of you are watching this video and you have a link to Sketch software for Windows 10, send to us in the community. We would like to have it. For now, I only have for Photoshop and Illustrator, which I'm going to send the link also on how to get it, and it's a cracked version also. Solo Learn is an Android app, could help you learn more of the languages. Just go to Play Store and search for Solo Learn and download it, and look for Java there. So you start up with Java tutorials there to at least move ahead of what we're doing, because I'm not really going to be taking you through a whole lot of fundamentals or introductions. So it's really advisable if you have the app and you read through them. I will only be teaching you basics and fundamentals that works with Android Studios, and there also will be writing some Java, so you will learn some basics of Java there. Nobody is taller than the last man standing. You learn, you practice, and you stand out. So when you learn to fight hard, to strive to become better, and you practice, because practice makes you perfect. So there's one thing you need to understand about development. Development needs total commitment, practice, and challenges. There's no mistakes in development. There are a whole lot of professionals out there who still find themselves stuck at some programs. That's because you're bound to face bugs in your programs. They don't call it mistake, they don't call it I cannot do it. No, it's bugs. So whenever you're writing a code and you have a challenge whereby your program is not running well, it's giving you some error code, it's normal. That's how development works. You experience bugs. So the best thing is to engage us and the community and let the people out there help you. So when you learn, you practice, you can stand out. There are a whole lot of community, a whole lot of competitions out there, and the only way you can be the best is if you stand out. And standing out also means you have to work together. That's why we build it as a community. So you all have to help each other out. It's a teamwork. Synergy is really important when it comes to development. We all both develop APIs, libraries, and document them so we can use them on individual projects or any other project we get from outside. That's how development works. But if we don't work together, you might find it so difficult to really stand out. You could stand out, but might be a whole lot difficult compared to when you have people who synergize with you to work. This is the end of the section, talking on review on the next series, and I want you guys not to forget to subscribe and click the notification button so you won't miss the next series when it comes out or drops on the YouTube. So thank you very much for watching this. If you have any contribution or anything else you need me to know about this video, just drop it at your comment below this video or message me at the community group. Thank you very much.